So now this is what you get in the box. So when you open it, it comes with terms and conditions about your fabric order, maybe your invoice. It's there. And it tells you more about how to order your fabric next after getting your swatches. Then they're all in these recyclable bags. So I've already opened this. So this is the first one. It's almost like chiffon and almost like cotton. They're kind of in between. It's very soft. Also quite silky. There's quite a lot of swatches there. This one's really cute. It's an eyelet fabric. This one's better. The white one. Really cute. I like this blue too. This one's silk. Obviously it's not real silk, it's just polyester. If you can see the sheen to it, it's really gorgeous. Let's do the pink. I love the pink. It's beautiful. This one too. Old rose. Let's do this bluish color. Oh, look at the sage. I don't know how that comes up in the camera, but it's a sage color. And this blue as well. Now on to this bag. Whoa, I love this one. So here goes the details. And then it's this really nice rib knit fabric, perfect for tops. Spring is coming up, so we don't need those thick sweaters anymore. This would be really nice for that weather. Really soft too. Ooh, I love this one too. So here goes the details before I start. And here goes your pleated chiffon. Really beautiful. I love this green. I love this pink and gray together. It's also red. Oops. See? How nice. It's just how they chopped it. I think they have a cutter, so it didn't really cut it the way through since it's pleated. So there. Next we have this. Ooh, this one's really nice too. It's also this pleated, how do I say this fabric? I forgot what you call this. Oh my gosh. Really beautiful. One of my friends in fashion school used this type of fabric for his graduation collection because it was inspired by Ben Cap's painting, Sabelle, and the texture of this fabric just kind of shows the brush strokes of the painting. It's really beautiful. Really beautiful. I love it. Next here we have a glitter tool. It's more of printed. Yeah, it's definitely printed rather than glitters. It's really pretty too. The reason why I got this because I have a debutante this coming fall and she wanted a full-on glitter, just champagne-y, goldy royalty dress, and so this would be perfect. There's a lot actually, it's just they're stuck together. I love this one with all the smock tops that's so in trend right now. Look at this one. It's already smocked for you and it stretches out really well too. Look. So it comes with pink, black, white, and blue. Really cute. Perfect for those see-through dresses. I don't remember ordering this, but this is their customized digital printing samples. Just to show you if you ever did order a printed fabric, this is what it would look like. So this is on this velvety fabric. This one's on a stretch fabric. This one on a, I think this is small. No. Oh, this is on a It's almost like a polka dot mesh. Oh, this one's on a linen-ish. It looks like linen to me. Really see-through. This one's another mesh. This one's on a silk or satin. Very glossy, I have to say. This one is like, I don't know if it's like neoprene. I was looking for fabric that's almost close to piña fabric. It originated in the Philippines. It's very fine silk fiber that we use for formal wear, special international clothing, traditional clothing like the barong, Filipinianas. But I ordered wrong, of course. I based it on photos or the videos they post online, but it's not there. It's literally cotton. They're just very fine and very thin and has those fine lines, but it's shiny. It's very soft. I'm looking for a more stiffer fabric. Then we have this. I think I was also looking for close to something like an organdy fabric. This one is definitely close to the thickness of the matte organdy, but it's definitely not matte because there's sheen to it. As you can see, literally there's speckles of glitter to it. It's still a pretty fabric though. Then lastly, this is the last one. I also have a client coming up. I just have to see the swatches of these because, so look at this polka dot fabric. It's textured, really cute. And we actually might use this color right here. This color or this kind of blue or this. Really beautiful. So I have ordered from Swatch On before, and I did notice that they have a change of packaging, and they do give almost bigger swatches for some of them, especially this one. This is how they pack them. They used to pack them before. I ordered this a while back, maybe last year. And so they usually fold it this small, and it wouldn't come in a box that big, or maybe because I ordered more, but usually comes in a much smaller box, in a white box, not a brown box.
So when you open the Swatch On app, this is the first thing you see. You get to pick fabric type, sustainability, clothing types, or item number, whichever way you want to search your product. So I'm going for fabric types. For my case, I'm looking for formal fabrics, anything for formal events. So I'm picking embellish or fringe, and then some lace. So I want to make a dress. And so I see results, and then you get to see all these selections. There's really a lot. You have some eyelet, you have some corded lace, you have some 3D lace, you also have some stretch mesh as well. And when I look for swatches, I try to find one with at least 4 or more color selections. That way I have more options to choose from and more color choices for my client to see. And it's really nice if you have more options. So let's try to look for a lace. As you can see, the page goes on and on. There's more than 11 pages. You have really more options to see. Let's go for the blue one. I think that lace would be nice. Hoping for a stretch fabric. And as soon as you pick that one, they gave you this short clip of how fabric performs, how it stretches, how it creases. So that's really nice because you don't really get to touch the fabric, because it's online. So that's the different shopping experience they give you. When you add that to your swatch bundle, it goes to your swatch box cart. And then if you want to add yardages, you go in the lower section and it goes to a different cart. So you buy it separately, or they are both bought separately. And for my case, I'm just ordering swatches. I registered as a brand on Swatch On, and so I get a bigger discount. So this is really nice for those who work in the fashion industry. You get it for lesser plus free shipping, and they ship for about 2 weeks. So it's the fastest. Sometimes they ship even just a week and a half, depending on how much swatches you order. So that's about it.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.